Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video talking about some changes coming up that have been announced and some delays in some of the products in the future of Windows 10X. So we did talk about Windows 10X a few times here. We talked about how this might actually reshape the future of even the desktop version of Windows. Well, Windows 10X and the devices, the Neo, the Duo that were about to be released this year, were to be released at the end of the year. Then they said, well, maybe a little earlier, and now it's not at all. Well, not this year, next year. So it has been pretty much given that Windows 10X, we talked about this in a video that I posted about a month and a half maybe ago, where we talked about how Windows 10X has a lot of core problems or core issues that need to be fixed. And when we learned that they wanted to maybe get these devices out earlier, it was kind of a surprise because we were thinking, well, why are they still thinking of doing this if there are some issues? So what happens is that, of course, Panos Panay became chief of the Windows team, and he's also chief of the devices. So I think there's a possibility that he might have looked at all of this and said, okay, wait a minute. We need to look at this and kind of think again about what exactly do we will want with this operating system, Windows 10X, and the devices that are going to come out also. So it seems that all of this, including the release of Windows 10X, is pushed to 2021. There's also a rumor that, because for a long time they said, well, this is going to be for foldable devices. Well, there's rumors now that the idea behind Windows 10X is that it's going to make its way to our laptops and desktops. And some of the rumors are saying that maybe this, we talked about Windows 10, and we thought about a lot of people, wish there's going to be a Windows 11 and Windows 12. Well, one of the things that came to mind when I was reading this is, what about if Windows 10X is kind of Windows 11? Because it is fundamentally different in the way that it operates and much simpler in the way that it actually works and updates. And this could actually make its way to our devices, meaning that maybe that's where the future of Windows will happen. There will be kind of a Windows revolution in a much lighter Windows 10 version called Windows 10X. But they're not going to call it Windows 10, Windows 11 or Windows 12 or whatever, but Windows 10X. So this is interesting because it opens up the door to a new direction that maybe could happen starting next year, a new Windows revolution, if you want. And there would probably be the Windows 10 operating system that we know now, because this is needed, and the enterprise needs this because of all the features and the things that they need in here. But there could be a new branch of Windows 10 that would be Windows 10X, that would be a lighter and still capable operating system, still capable of running a lot of the apps that we want to use. So this is interesting because I think they're rethinking all of this, and it's a good idea. I mean, why not have something that would be lighter, better, faster? The promise of seamless updates, a little bit like your cell phone, where you almost don't even notice that your cell phone is updating it, through the night, for example. So this is going to be interesting. But for now, all of this is delayed till 2021, apparently. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.